Hello and welcome to this little practice routine. In this video we will practice chords and inversions, we will play little beautiful runs and fills, and we will play beautiful arpeggios, and in the end we will even improvise a little bit and get creative, so make sure to stay until the end. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up right away. And one quick note before we start, you can download the sheet music for this tutorial for free. You will find the link in the video description below. Okay, all right, then I would say let's get started. So let's start with exercise number 1, and here we will have a look at the right hand first, okay? So we start with D minor, then we go to B major in the first inversion, then we go to F major in the second inversion, and then we go to C major in root position. Okay, so once again we start with D minor, then we go to B major first inversion, then we go to F major second inversion, and then we go to C major again. Okay, same thing we will do with our left hand. So here again we will start with D minor in root position. Then we go to B major in first inversion. Then we go to F major in second inversion. And then we go to C major in root position. Okay, once again, D minor root position, then B major in the first inversion, F major in second inversion, and C major in root position. Now let's play this with both hands simultaneously. So we are starting 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. B major. Now go to F major, and then we land on C major again. Okay? And then we start from the beginning. And I know playing chords with inversions can be really challenging, but I mean, look at how beautiful this sounds. And I think the work is worth it. So if you ever wanted to just sit down at the piano and play something beautiful with chords, then I highly recommend you to learn chords and inversions. It's such a treasure, and it will open a new door for you at the piano. Okay, then I would say let's go directly to exercise number 2. Here we will insert beautiful fills in between the chords. Let's start with the right hand first, and as you can see, we are playing the same chords and we will play them for 2 beats. So we are counting 1, 2, and then we will insert our little fill. And for the fill, we are jumping up and you are going with your pinky to the F. And once you've found the F, then you just play these 4 notes down, one after another, okay? So we are counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we go to the next chord, which is the B major chord, and then again jump up to the F, and then just play the 4 white keys down. Then you move to the next chord, to the F major. Then again jump up, and then C major, and then again the fill. Okay, so while I'm playing these 4 notes down, I'm not dreaming, I'm not reflecting what I will eat for lunch, but I will have a look at the keys, and when I know, okay, the next chord will be the B major triad in the first inversion, then I try to imagine the right keys in my mind, so that while I'm playing these 4 notes down, I already know, okay, now I have to go down here, okay? So really try to prepare these chords in your mind while you are playing the run, and then you can play this fluidly, okay? Because otherwise you will arrive here, and when you now start thinking, which was the right chord again? Was it this? Was it this? Oh no, yeah. Then you will end up that you have to stop every time, and then, yeah, it's getting really annoying. So to avoid this, take your time when you're playing these 4 notes, because you can play them blindly, you know, and prepare in your mind the next chord. So let's try this out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. So practice this again and again. Do this a few times in a row that you really get familiar with it. And then we will join with our left hand, okay? In the left hand, we only play the chords like we learned it, okay? So we are starting in both the right and the left hand with the D minor triad. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay? And when you have a look at my left hand, then you can see while I'm playing these 4 notes, I'm already preparing and searching the next keys. Okay? I will play it once again. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now I already have it, okay? Then 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, and I already prepare it. Okay? So there are many things going on when you want to play something like this, but I think it's sounding really beautiful, so practice this and make it part of your practice routine. So let's go to exercise number 3 now. This is the moment where we will bring in beautiful arpeggios. And playing arpeggios makes everything sound more beautiful. So have a look at the right hand first. Here we will play the same chords with the same inversions as we learned them, okay? But we won't play them as block chords. We will play them in beautiful arpeggios. And therefore, we will start from top to bottom, okay, like this. Then we go back and start again from top to bottom. Same thing with the next chord. We prepare our shape for the next chord and then start from top to bottom and go back. Start from top to bottom again. Next chord, make sure that you prepare the shape you need, and then again. Then next chord, C major, okay. Ready? Okay, let's do this all together. 3 and 4 and... And then you are starting again, and then you can repeat this again and again. But now let's play it together with the left hand. The left hand we will keep simple. We just play the chords as we are used to. Okay? So both hands together now. We will start on D minor with both hands. Okay? So make sure that your fingers are in the correct place, and then I will count us in. 3 and 4 and... once again, D minor, then go to B major, F major, C major. Wonderful. Okay, now let's have a look at the next exercise, exercise number 4. But before we start, make sure to download the free PDF. There you find all exercises of today's tutorial, and I think it's really great because then at home you can print it out maybe, and then you can practice this again and again without needing to watch the video every time. And yes, so if you want, then download it. You will find the link in the video description or in the comments below. And then we will go on now with exercise number 4. So in exercise number 4, as you can see, now the left hand has to do something, okay? Because now we will also play the left hand in arpeggios. Here we are playing from bottom to the top. And we go back and start again from bottom to the top. Next chord also. Then the F major triad and C major triad, okay? So this is our arpeggio pattern. And now we will do this together, just the left hand alone. 3 and 4 and. And so on and so on. So practice this a few times in a row, and then we are playing both hands together. And here we have something like a contrary motion, because we are starting with the pinky, and then as you can see, so we are walking towards the thumbs and go back, okay? Like this. So practice this. You can stay on the D minor triad to get the motion under your fingers. And then we are doing the same thing with the other chords too. So we prepare our shape and then, yeah, now next chord and next chord. And this is going to sound really beautiful. Let's try it together. 3 and 4 and. And really try to play with expression and use dynamics and everything like this, that it really starts to sound musical. Don't see this as just a practice. Really try to make it musical. And now, as promised, in the end we will get creative now, because now I have a little improvisation exercise for you. Here you can see we will play the chords in the left hand, like we learned it, with the inversions, right? And the better you have them under your fingers now, the better for your right hand, because now you really have to concentrate on the right hand. And I would suggest you to start with simply playing one note of the triad in every bar. That means for the first bar you can choose between D, F and A. And I would say, okay, why not taking the F? Then in the next bar you can choose between D, F and B flat. Okay? And I would say, why not again taking the F? The next bar you can choose between C, F and A. And I would say, why not a third time just play the F, okay? Because then we don't have to sing so much. Now in the last bar, you can choose between C, E and G. And I would say, okay, now it's better when we go to the E maybe, okay? And then we will get a beautiful melody. Okay? When we play this together, this will sound like this. Yeah, and I mean, we are improvising right now, and improvisation is something everybody is afraid of. But as you can see, it can be so simple, and you don't have to play much notes with the right hand. You can just keep it simple and it will sound beautiful right away. Yeah, and when you get more and more familiar to this, or you can just vary the rhythm a little bit, like this. Yeah, or you are playing more and more notes. But you have to be careful because, as you can see, we have a B flat in it, okay? So don't play the B, only the B flat when you are improvising and using more and more notes. For example, okay? Now you have a beautiful practice routine to practice your chords and inversions. And I know it's really hard to get into the inversions, to play them really fluently. And if you need help with this, then also have a look at my online course Modern Piano 1, because there I will show you a clear roadmap, a clear system that leads you to playing inversions and chords really fluently. And this can be so much fun because then you can do so many new creative things on the piano. And yeah, this is pure fun. And if you want to have a look at the course, you will find a link down in the video description with more information about it. And if you want to have more practice routines with chords and where you just play with patterns and where you can start being creative, then I highly recommend you watch this video next. There you also will find a beautiful practice routine that almost sounds like a little song. That's really something that sounds impressive and not as if you were practicing. Okay, so see you there and then have a nice day.